In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view downloaded files in Google Chrome. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you want to access a recently downloaded file or organize your files better. Let's dive right in and explore the simple steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You might have it pinned to your taskbar, or perhaps it's nestled among your other apps. If you can't find it right away, a quick search should do the trick. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which are often referred to as the More or Options menu. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various features and settings that Chrome has to offer. As you explore this menu, keep an eye out for an option labeled Downloads. It won't be immediately visible, as you'll need to hover your mouse cursor over it to make it clickable. Once you do that, go ahead and click. This action will prompt Chrome to open a new tab, displaying a complete list of all your recently downloaded files. This list provides an excellent overview of your downloaded content and makes managing them straightforward. Now, if you wish to open any of these files directly from Chrome, you're in luck. All you need to do is click on the file name in the list. It's that easy. This is particularly useful if you've just downloaded something and want to access it without sifting through your entire downloads folder. But what if you need to know the exact location of this file on your computer? Again, Chrome makes it simple. Just hover your mouse pointer over the file name you're interested in. You'll spot an option that reads, Show in Folder. Clicking this will quickly direct you to where the file is saved on your computer. It's a convenient feature that saves you the hassle of manually searching for the file location through your File Explorer. And there you have it, the straightforward way to view your downloaded files in Google Chrome. Remember, being able to quickly find and open your downloads can make your workflow more efficient and less frustrating. These simple steps are not only time-saving, but also enhance your ability to manage your digital content more seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.